girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Baby, you're the best.
Make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water. Normally, could keep my cool, but tonight I'm worried. I'm a bee in a dangerous mood. Can you match my timing? Telling me that you're really about it, what you're hiding. Talk is cheap, so show me that you understand I like it. Can you blow my mind? Set up my whole body if I give you my time. Can you snatch my soul from me? I don't wanna wait. I'm taking, take me where I ain't been before. Can you blow my mind? Set up my whole body, whole body. Make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water. Hopefully, you can last all night. Don't get too excited. Privacy. You ain't gotta go nowhere. You can stay inside it. Can you blow my mind? Set up my whole body if I give you my time. Can you snatch my soul from me? I don't wanna wait. I'm taking, take me where I ain't been before. Can you blow my mind? Set up my whole body, whole body. Make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water.
Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. Oh my, deals with my love for you. We be the richest in the fucking room. We be so comfortable. Girl, it's only you for me. No lie, I've tried what they offered. They're not who I want them to be. That's not an offer to me. If you're around, baby, when you ain't with me, you feel alone. And I was wondering if you always know. It don't have to be perfect. I feel like it's worth it. I know now that I've been the worst, but I love you better. Catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. All mine, yeah. All mine, all mine, all mine, all mine, all mine. You know how it feels. You know how it feels. All mine, yeah.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for UNICE Hair, and you guys, oh my god, I cannot stress how much I am in love with this unit. When I say, now look, I've been doing this for 8 years. 8 years, okay? And I could say within the past 8 years, this has to be some of the best. This has to be the best straight hair that I've ever received. This is so silky. It's like jet black. It's so healthy, so silky. This is straight out of the box. As you guys saw, I didn't use any products. The only thing that I did use was a little bit of hairspray just on the top part, just to catch like the flyaways, because anytime like you flat iron your hair, a lot of times you get like flyaways. It doesn't matter like what unit it is. It's just something that happens. But this is so silky. Like, look at the flow. No matter how much I move around, I want to move my hair to the back, it's not like all frizzy in the back. And that's something that I experience with like other straight hair units, is the fact that they get so frizzy. They get like, you constantly have to have a comb with you because your hair like frizzes up, and it's so soft. Like, that's the other thing, it's soft. This is where it's currently hitting me. This is their 24-inch, and I would say it's a little bit on the thinner side too, but it's still really silky and pretty. You guys see like the ends are not like all fried looking. Like, it just looks absolutely absolutely amazing. Like, I could not ask for a better straight hair unit, because when it comes to straight hair, it has to be on point. Like, your straight hair cannot be stiff. It can't be like you moving your hair around. Like, I'm just gonna flip all my hair to the back and like, look, no frizziness, none whatsoever. Like, a lot of times with the other units, if I do that, I'm gonna have to use a comb or something to fix like the back, or your friends have to always like help you fix your hair or something. Like, that's not the case with this. And then I'll turn all the way around so you guys can see. Bottom. Let me move my seat out the way. So like, hello. This is giving silky. No, like, nothing is out of place with my hair. Okay? And then look at the parting space. It's so deep. It's not like your typical 13x4 that doesn't have like any parting space. It's so deep. And then I'll show you guys on the side. Like, and it's like a full frontal. Like, there's no tracks. You get what I'm saying? You get a full frontal, and it just looks really good. Like, especially the fact that I didn't have to use like any product or anything like that for my hair. Like, I love that. I just love the fact that I don't have to use anything, and it's just like no tangling, no shedding, hands down the best unit. And it's perfect because it's a pre-everything unit, so you don't have to worry about like bleaching the knots, plucking it, or anything like that. The knots come bleached, and it has 2 straps in it. It has the adjustable strap in the back, and then it has the adjustable elastic band that's at the top as well, so you get extra security. It has like the 2 sides that you can tape down. The tape works better when you don't like have any makeup on, because it can just like adhere straight to your skin. So that's the only thing I will say about that. And they also give you like extra tape as well, so if you want to tape the entire unit down. But this is completely glueless. Like, I can take my comb and go right up under here, y'all. It is completely glueless, so you don't have to use any product, and it just looks so good. The lace melts perfectly. Like, I have no complaints. This is hands down the best. Now, I done told y'all a lot about some hair. When I say you need to get this unit, you need to get this unit. Like, I'm not even kidding you guys. Like, I am just like amazed. Like, look at the luster. Look how silky. Look at the ends. Just beautiful. Like, no matter how much you move it, how many times like you run your fingers through it, and my fingers run through it like butter, okay? So even for UNICE, I feel like this is one of the best UNICE units that I've ever had. Like, as far as like straight hair is concerned, like, they have some good units, don't get me wrong, but this one right here is just like impeccable. I feel like if I had a celebrity like client, I would definitely pick this unit and put this on a celebrity client. So that's just how I feel like this is like, yeah, it's one of those. So yeah, so if you guys are interested, let me leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on today's unit. If you guys have any questions that I didn't cover, drop a comment down below. I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. Shout out to UNICE for sending over this unit. This is one of my favorite straight units right now. Highly, 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 highly recommend. 5-star, 10 stars if I can give it 10. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one.